Adjectives are words that are used to describe or modify nouns or pronouns. For example, red, quick, happy, etc. A red hat, the quick rabbit, a happy duck. It means describe the things. Next, types of adjectives. First, we see descriptive adjective is one that shows the kind and the quality of a person or thing. For example, large, beautiful, careful, hateful, etc. Second one, numeral adjective. Numeral adjective is the one that shows the numbers or a serial order of a persons or things. And for example, five, few, many, several, first, etc. Then third one, quantitative adjective. Quantitative adjective is one that shows how much quantity of the things is mean. For example, some, much, little, any, half, whole. Next, fourth one, demonstrative adjective. Demonstrative adjective means is the one that points out which person or thing is meant. For example, this, that, these, those, such. Next, fifth, interrogative adjective. It is used to ask a question. For example, whose pen is this? For example, we see what, which, whose. Next, possessive adjective. Possessive adjective, the words my, our, your, his, her, its, their, when used before noun, are called possessive adjective. Remaining two types. Seventh one, proper adjective is the one derived from a proper noun. For example, the English language, the Indian Ocean, and last one, distributive adjective. Distributive adjective is the one that refers to each one of number. They are four in number, each, every, either, and neither.
Revision time. What is the mean by possessive adjective? Who will tell?
Me, sir, me, sir.
Okay, tell.
Possessive adjective, the words my, our, your, his, her, its, their, when used before noun are called possessive adjective.
Nice.